Actually, what I'm doing is I'm actually designing this swap kit, the engine mounts and everything that you need to put this engine inside this chassis, because it's just extremely fun. And but also not only this engine but another engine as well. And with all the engine, because with this engine we have power limits, because it's a diesel, it's a 1.9 TDI. And even if you should shoot nitrous, you're limited to about 500 brakes. Without the nitrous, about maybe 450, which is a lot, with tremendous amount of torque, which is great. The car is really fast, it is unbelievable fun to drive. But with the older engine, we don't have that limitation. With the older engine, we can go over 1,000. So yeah, stay tuned for this, because this is gonna be fun. But on this one, I can only work on it 2 hours per day in afternoons, after I finish the econo line during the day and Saturdays. So, but I'm gonna continue like this, 6 days per week, 8-9 hours on that, 2 hours on this every day, 1 entire day on this per week, until everything is finished. So progress is gonna be quite quick, hopefully. See you soon. Oh, and this one is gonna be for sale pretty much soon, as soon as I put the windscreen and the bonnet, because it's a surplus. Don't need it anymore, sitting here doing nothing. I need a space in the workshop, and after 14 years of owning this, I'm not using it. It's time to sell it. So yeah, I'm a bit sorry for it, but I'm not really, because again, it's better for someone to actually use it on a circuit or whatever than me just looking at it. So there you go.